Folks, this is an unscripted, direct message. Hopefully hits between you, right between the eyes, grabs you by the throat, or pulls your ears, or twists your nose. Think about it. Let's look back at 2024. We'll look back and say, okay, well, we worked on so many cars. We did so much volume, we make so much profit. Now, if we were going into 2025 and you would be perfectly happy replicating, duplicating, doing 2024 all over again, would you be happy? Would you like every one of your staff members you had in 2024, or would you like an improvement? Would you like more car count? Would you like to have more efficiency? Would you like to have more productivity? Would you like to have more profit in your business? Would you like to build up the cash? Would you like to write 10 essential SOPs in 2025 that ran your business and runs your business with or without you being there? These are things that are dear to my heart, and we work on them every single day. In my book, Turnaround Point, it talks about how you get to certain places and all of a sudden your business turns around and you say, flathead experience. Now I got it. I can do this. You know, it's very easy to be an auto repair shop owner. All you got to do is get a DBA, get some business cards, rent a building, buy some equipment, put a sign up, and you are in the auto repair business. Ooh, now what do you do when you get there? How do you make it a business and not just fixing cars? 2025 is going to be a fantastic year. The political climate is cleaned out. We are on the way up. If you want to go up, call me, Gary Gunn, 270-282-1262. And I'll help you go up with the 5 steps that we have created. Come talk to us about these 5 steps. We can get you there. Remember, Gary Gunn, 270-282-1262. Hope you have a great day. Hope to speak with you soon.